Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to configure the account record using social CRM tools and salesforce.com. This is probably one of the more complex records because it provides some real-time information specific to Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn with regards to the account. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Accounts, Page Layouts, and you're going to choose the main account layout. And from here, you're actually going to see a couple of things. I have things pre-configured, but what you're going to do is add a section, and that section will be right under the description information. And that section is going to be called, LinkedIn Company Connections, as you see here. But we're just going to add it here and simulate as if we're creating it. LinkedIn Company Connections. Okay. And what we're going to do is make that a one-column layout, and we're going to hit OK there. You'll see it created it right here, and we're going to add an S control, and there's an S control called LinkedIn, SCRM LinkedIn Company Contact. So let's look for that, and here it is. It's SCRM LinkedIn. Actually, that's the contact view. We're looking for company. Here it is. So it's called SCRM LinkedIn Company Contact, and as you see, it's already on our layout, but you'll see it here. And if I was creating this from scratch, I'd just simply add this S control here. So in the end, you're going to have a section called LinkedIn Company Connections, and in that section, the S control object called SCRM LinkedIn Company Contact. And what this is going to do is allow you to see how you're connected to the people in that company or that account. Okay, and we'll see that a little later. So let's take this out. The other areas are for Facebook information. So we're going to create a section, as we just did before, for Facebook information, and the actual S control that you will pull in is called SCRM Account View. So you just click and drag that from here, the S control section. You'll see it's already there. It's SCRM Account View, and again, you'll similarly configure it this way. What this section will do is provide you Facebook information specific to the account in real time. If you want to take a look at the properties, 100% width, 200 in height, you can show the scroll bar. You may not want to show the label. Hit OK. The next section is real-time company tweets, and this section right here is actually going to show you some real-time tweets associated with the account. So if the account is American Express, it'll show you what chatter on Twitter is associated with American Express. It even provides financial quotes specific to the ticker symbol of the company. It also provides you with great insight on what's going on in that industry. And the S control that you're going to click and drag under this section is SCRM Account Twitter Chatter. Again, you'll see that in the custom S controls section. If you install social CRM tools, you'll have that packaged with it. And the actual S control is called SCRM Account Twitter Chatter. Okay, so on to the very last part, which is the Google Maps integration. And the Google Maps integration it's pretty straightforward. It actually shows you a map of the account where it's located, and the S control for that is what's called SCRM Google Maps Integration. Okay, and that's the S control that you configure, and essentially what you're going to do is click and drag that here. Again, that's one section. If you want to look at the properties, and you hit OK, and that will be configured there. And the next and last but not last is just a social CRM lookup section, and this is in the event you did not find any information that you were looking for. You can do additional lookups on blogs and Facebook and LinkedIn. Pretty handy feature just to kind of capture all the remaining areas. And to do that, you're going to go to the Visualforce page, because it is a Visualforce page, and we're going to click and drag the AccountPageLayout Visualforce page and drag that into this section. Okay, once you're done with that, you save, and we're going to take a quick look at what that looks like in social CRM tools. Let's pick American Express, and you'll see the standard company information that it comes with. What you're also seeing here are the connections, the people that I know that are on LinkedIn, and are at American Express. So these are the folks that I know. You'll see some Facebook information, so this is helpful just to take a quick glance at what the company's fan page, any other fan pages or activity. Of course, groups associated with American Express and web content, always useful on a real-time basis, and real-time company tweets and mentions. And this is a great way to take a look at what's going on with Amex in the Twitter sphere. You have here the actual stock ticker quotes and prices around that, and you also have here industry related quotes. Let's look at the Google Map integration. As you can see, this company is in New York. I can scroll in, go up, zoom in, and take a look at the exact location just like I would do on a normal Google map. And we'll take a look at the Social CRM Lookups widget, where you could do additional company lookups, additional lookups on the company specific to communities and blogs and LinkedIn and Twitter. Okay, so that was the configuration of social CRM tools on the account.